Greetings to one and all. Now, following up from the last video that was posted in relation to one of the key points of the mini budget, that being the new gas tax, we will be focusing today on the proposed garbage and sewage contribution or levy. We don't know yet if it is a contribution, like say NES, or if it is a levy, like a tax. However, what is clear is that effective August 1st, 2018, all domestic households and non-commercial entities will have to pay $1.50 Barbados currency daily towards this new contribution slash tax slash levy. This equates to roughly $45 a month or $550 a year. Now, $550 a year for someone making minimum wage, that is roughly around $12,000 a year, is a lot of money. That is roughly 4.5, or you can round it up to 5% of your total income for the year. And this charge, contribution, whatever you want to call it, has to be paid regardless of if you use water or not. So along with your normal water bill, which is based on usage, which is calculated based on usage, you would have to pay a compulsory $45 every month. Now, is this justifiable? No, and here's why. Government raises revenue through taxes. That's one of its means of raising revenue. And this is done through income taxes and also by the printing of money. It also generates revenue through charging for goods and services that it provides. Examples are essential services like health, medical services, providing water, utilities, public transport, and the like. Now, based on the history of Barbados, one of government's mandates was the redistribution of wealth. This is seen through our progressive income tax system. This is basically the more you earn after a certain threshold, you would incur a higher rate of tax. Therefore, those persons who can afford to pay this higher rate will pay the higher rate. Now contrast this to this garbage and sewage contribution or levy. Everyone with a connection has to pay the same amount. However, persons on welfare will pay half of the $45. This is the total opposite of what the government tried to achieve with the income tax, in terms of the greater portion of the tax is paid by the persons who can afford it. Also, seeing that the working class makes up the biggest income generating segment in society, this means that this segment will pay the brunt or the largest portion of this new tax. Now, the very nature of this tax and how it is implemented, it means that there is no opting out because, hey, government is the sole provider of potable water here in Barbados, and we need water to survive.